Is Performance Max campaign wasting your budget? Then you need to watch this video. Also, a lot of businesses uh, get leads and sales via running Performance Max campaigns, but not every business gets the best out of it, and for some businesses it's wasting their budget and money. So in this video I'm going to address this, so let's get started with this. And you know that years ago I used to say that no Performance Max campaign, PMax campaign is not a good idea, but ever since the AI evolvement and with the AI being improved, I now say that Performance Max campaigns do work. AI Max campaign do work, shopping campaigns do work. So why what happens is then why people money is being wasted when I say that it's true work. So yeah, there are few reasons why a lot of businesses are being frustrated with Performance Max campaigns, and the few reasons are high spend, low quality leads, bad ROS return on investment, or poor working on research terms. And the most common reason, even this is not for PMax but for every campaign running, be it on Google Ads, Meta Ads, or anywhere, is weak conversion tracking. Guys, if your conversion tracking is not working, you will never be in profit. You will always be struggling, or you will be like, oh, I'm just making slight profit. Why? Because your core issue is over there, the weak conversion tracking. The whole Google system runs on the conversion tracking system, and if you are fail on this, then just your whole money is going to be wasted. The second thing I have seen exploring after running around a lot of Performance Max campaign. For instance, this is one of the PMax campaign for one of our client. You can see around over here. It's getting conversions, getting cost. You can see around over here. This is one of the best performing campaign over here with 12,641 conversions over here. So the second reason which I think over here is bad assets group. So the assets group is your bad. You are not worked on your right assets. What assets combination is working well for your business that needs a proper address. So yeah, I think that this is a reason, another reason apart after from conversion tracking on why it's not working is your bad assets combination. So I think that you need to work on your assets. And what people do is they work on random headlines, generic images, and weak videos. So we do not work with this as well, and we focus and optimize for our clients. And also the clients do not work on no audio signals, and poor product feed is another combination, and then no campaign segmentation. Many businesses like their product, they promote all products. You know what happens is, for businesses I recommend to look around their top performing products. This is very important to run. Even if you run PMax campaign, I think that for some products I run either the PMax campaign or shift them into the search campaign for the top performance one. Why? Because we are sure this is working. If you are getting organic traffic, see what products are working well for you. If you are getting traffic from other sources, see what's working well for you before running for PMax. And if you are running PMax for some time with all of your products, then figure out what's exactly working well for you. Then look around. And I think that another reason is over here is no CRO being done on website is another common reason. No CRO being done on the website. So take my word on it. I've seen businesses getting failed. Why? Because the conversion conversion optimization is not being done on your website, and why? And this actually results in poor sales or leads. So my opinion is that if you are not doing a good CRO conversion rate optimization, then you are lacking it. We are paying money for each visitor to land on website, and then what if we say that it's not working well? So yeah, we are wasting all of it. So look around for this. Look around what locations are converting well for you, what timings, days are working well for you, and then focus on it. So yeah, I recommend a proper conversion tracking strategy, audience segmentation, strong creative assets, clean product feed, brand exclusions, and search term analysis daily, and a negative keyword strategy daily or weekly. So yeah, Performance Max is definitely powerful, but only if it worked correctly. So in case if you need me and my team help, we have dozens of case studies as well on our YouTube channel for us. So we are a Google Ads partner company with the name of AARSWEBS.com. We help clients with Google Ads, sorry, audit, setup, management, and complete web development solution. So if you want me and my team services, you are more than welcome to hire us through the link in the description, AARSWEBS.com. We offer a wide range of digital marketing and web development services and AI services. So yeah, we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.